U.S. Stock Market Weekly Review. This week, the S&P 500 finally closed above 6,900. Megacap tech exploded higher, silver ripped nearly 8. And to top traders gave us completely clear signals for the next 6 weeks. First, let's recap the week. The S&P 500 gained roughly 0.7 and closed above 6,900 at the highs of the day. The Nasdaq climbed 0.9. Even with political noise around tariffs and the Supreme Court rulings, the market shrugged it off and closed strong. Short-term trend models flipped bullish. On the sector side, Megacap tech led everything. Alphabet up for Amazon and Netflix strong. Commodities exploded. Silver SLV surged nearly 8 in a single day. Energy and healthcare lagged and closed lower. Bitcoin holdings below $68. Looking for support came in way below expectations at 1.4 versus 4 forecast, but the market didn't care. PCE inflation was slightly hot, but the market labeled it temporary, driven by oil and geopolitics. Trend is winning right now. One next week small bounce. Volatile QQQ tests resistance around 610. To March, market rolls over and moves lower. He suggests patience or inverse ETFs like SQQQSOXS3. April market resumes its uptrend and hits new highs again. Bounce now gives drop in March, gives rip higher in April. Strong by small caps, IWM Energy, XLE Gold, Copper Miners. Staples dollar, WMT dollar cost, weak Dow Jones, software sector 1. How to buy strong uptrend stocks like Catwa methods using to 1-day or 50-day MA as your stop. Waiting for a pullback to the 50 days. Ma for better risk reward too. The Hindenburg meant it's a warning signal, not a sell signal. No indicator is 100 perfect. Use it as an alert to check your positions. 3. For long-term investors, Bocal Hetsu's dual momentum every month. Move your money into the strongest asset stocks, bonds, or cash. Microsoft MSFT dollar. $345 is a major Fibonacci support zone. If it breaks down, this is where it likely finds a bottom. In FASI NPH, it's above the 200-day MA. Moving averages turning up are SI bullish. Hold as long as it's above the 21-day MA and RSI greater than 50. Nvidia and earnings coming up, numbers will be strong, but guidance may be limited. Expecting a non-event, not enough to move the whole market. Tesla TSLA may bounce short-term, but likely drops with the market in March. Amazon AMS rebounding from a big drop, target $220. If it fills the gap. AMD low-risk higher-word entry at current support target $220. Memory chips move, WDC consolidating gains. Ready to launch another leg higher. Silver huge rallies, but volume is dropping. Top traders took profits this morning, cautious near-term. Gold perfect Q-band handle pattern. The best safe haven for inflation and dollar weakness in the months ahead. Let's wrap this up in 15 seconds. S&P 500 and above 6,900 short-term bullish. March expects a pullback. April new highs. Gold strong, silver cautious near-term. Use moving averages for entries and stops. Megacap tech remains the leadership.